guys, today I will show you how to record your sound and your screen.
LOL!
Hey brother, stop. Go to settings and scroll down and you need to click control center and customize control. I'm gonna remove this one and you will see it, the plus button, and click it. And you have to see that thing and get out of settings. You need to update your iPhone and you will see this. I'm recording right now and really click on this and click microphone on is off right now. If you're watching this, come on, let's do it. And click if this red button is gonna be here and click that and jump into your video and you will see right now you have your reality sounds. This is not an edit, not clickbait. This